Supposedly, the actual orange chicken recipe from Panda Express is online. I'll link the video in the description, and we're gonna try to follow it and attempt to make some exact Panda Express orange chicken. Obviously, we gotta start with some prep, which will be really easy. It's just some ginger and garlic. I don't like how the garlic scent stays on your fingers for multiple days, so I wear a glove. We have our chicken thighs. Now cut out some of the fat. Dice these into approximately 1-inch cubes. About a tablespoon of salt. This is a very salty salt, so I'm not gonna do too much. 1 teaspoon of white pepper. I don't have white pepper, I have black pepper. I don't know the difference, so maybe we'll just put a little bit less black pepper. And then we want about a cup of cornstarch. Ooh. And then we want 3 cups of flour. 1 egg. 1.5 cups of water. I feel like this is too much. Bro, this is becoming a dough. In the video, it was not this thick. And I put a little less flour than 3 cups. All right, that looks more like the consistency in the video. Add a little bit of vegetable oil too. That is what we want. And now, we add our chicken in. So this has to sit in the fridge for 30 minutes. And while I wait, let's go pick up some Panda Express. Can I get a bowl with white rice and orange chicken, please? We are back. It's now time to fry the chicken. So we'll add a healthy amount of oil. And before it gets too cold, I'm gonna try one now, but then we'll do the side-by-side comparison later. All right, you hear that? Means our oil is ready. Start adding in the chicken. Damn, that's thick. Gotta make sure it doesn't stick to the bottom. I was only able to put half of it in, or only able to fit half of the chicken. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm pretty sure the chicken is done, but as you can see, it's not really turning brown, like a golden brown that we want. I also don't want to just leave it in there and overcook it. All right, I'm gonna just take them out. Maybe it's the flour I used or the oil. Damn, I didn't even notice. We're literally empty. There was 4 pieces left. I could have just done everything in one go. I'm gonna save this batch for the next video. All right, I'm gonna get started on the sauce. We want a low heat, just a little bit of olive oil, or not olive oil, grapeseed oil, neutral oil, some chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon, and then our garlic and ginger that we prepped earlier. 1/4 cup should be 4, 1, 2, white sugar also, 1. Ooh, look at that. Obviously, for orange chicken, we're gonna use some orange juice, but apparently only a 1/4 cup. And a 1/4 cup of vinegar immediately after that. And apparently the vinegar will kind of, how do you say, like disintegrate? And then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then we have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. And this is supposed to thicken the sauce, make it into like a maple syrup. Oh, damn. That vinegar is really dissolved. Oh. Yo, that ain't no joke, bro. I guess I start mixing this in a little bit. Oh, look at that. Makes it all creamy. I'm gonna cut the heat. It's turning real thick. Oh, damn. Dude, it's really starting to smell like orange chicken now. And then I think we're supposed to just toss our chicken in. Oy. I don't know, I feel like we should add like water or something. And then we're supposed to add just a little bit of sesame oil. All right, well, I think that is that. And, oh, my orange chicken and Panda Express orange chicken. This is Panda Express, and this is mine. All right, we'll try it. Wait. Yo, it's a bit too vinegary, but damn. And then this is Panda Express. It's pretty damn close. I think the only thing is the vinegar didn't have enough time to really dissipate or like dissolve or whatever. It's actually like really damn close. Panda Express chicken. This is a little more like caramelized, a little bit sweeter maybe. This is the one that I made. Obviously it looks lighter in color. Yeah, other than the like stronger vinegar taste, it tastes damn near the same. I also taste the orange a lot more on mine. Definitely a little more sour. This just looks like a mess. This does not look appetizing, but I promise it tastes good. Pretty much the same consistency too. And that's that. Also, Can't forget the fortune cookie. You will find solace in the creativity of others.